Good afternoon YouTube and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have purchased a brand used Ultimate Virgin toy, the Traxxas Spartan. Now for those of you that are new to the channel, I do have a few RC cars which I'll throw a clip in of now. So back to the boat, it's something I've wanted for a long time, and by the time you buy the boat, the lipos, it ends up costing £700, £900 plus for the full 6S kit. So yesterday me and my friend took it out on a lake, managed to hit 51 mile an hour before it absolutely wiped out. Look at him, he's fucking soaked! Whoa! Archie, sit down mate, whoa! Oh. Ah. So I don't want to play with that setting, but like I say, in today's video, we're going to take it out on the river and just see what it's like for general use, turning, driving, and so far I've been really impressed with it.
Oh.
Did you get it on camera though?
I hope so. cool.
Just videoing from above. Trying to get a video. I picked probably the wrong day to be down on the river with everyone on their boats, but good fun.
They want one of these now for their birthdays.
Yeah, the problem is when you flip it like almost did then, you've got to swim out and get it, so the novelty will wear off very quickly. But on an open run, we've had it do over 50 mile an hour on GPS, but it's a bit too choppy here, but it starts getting air. Calm down a little bit now, so do That is nuts. The wave that comes off the back of it as well. I feel like I might have something dragging again.